This is Remy Storm Spotter at your newest live. It is currently 72 degrees outside, high of 88 and a low of 69. Again, we're sunny now. It was cloudy earlier. T-storms later. Well, they are actually already passed because we're doing this a little bit late. Things that were included in the storm we had earlier was pea-sized hail and some wind damage, but that didn't hit us. Even though that was just one storm, and there's going to be many, many more non-stop coming. Like, you probably won't even be able to count how many storms are going to be coming. On an app called My Radar, they call that a storm highway. I don't know. I don't think that's a real term in the chasing world, but I don't know. We'll see what the answers are on Twitter. Now remember, weather never sleeps.